Hey there! Chances are you've got a can of WD-40 lying around in your garage, or maybe tucked away in your toolbox. And if you don't, well, you're about to find out why this little can should become your new best friend. WD-40 is famously known as a go-to solution for loosening up those relatively stubborn, rusty nuts and bolts. But hold on, it's got a bunch more tricks up its sleeve. In this video, we're excited to unveil 16 genius uses for WD-40 that'll have you seeing this versatile product in a whole new light. Let's dive in. The Glue Residue Buster. Ever got yourself into a sticky situation with glue on your hands? Scrubbing just doesn't cut it, right? Enter WD-40, your new hero. A little spritz on your hands, a gentle rub, and voila! The glue dissolves like magic. And guess what? This trick works wonders on other surfaces too. Step out in waterproof style. Waterproof shoes are a game changer, keeping your feet cozy and dry, whether it's raining cats and dogs or you're trudging through snow. But not all shoes come with this superpower. Don't fret if your favorite leather shoes aren't waterproof. A quick coat of WD-40 can give them a temporary shield against moisture. Just remember to steer clear of spraying the glue areas to keep your shoes intact. This nifty trick isn't just for shoes. Any leather goods you wish to protect from water can benefit from a little WD-40 treatment. Gum be gone. Gum stuck on your shoe, under a table, or worst case scenario, in your hair, is the kind of annoyance we could all do without. The next time you're cursing a piece of gum, remember WD-40 is your go-to gum remover. A short spray lets it sit for a bit before you come in with a butter knife or a flat edge to scrape it away cleanly. Crisis averted. Say goodbye to wasp nets. Not a big fan of wasps? You're not alone. These unwelcome guests can turn any outdoor space into a no-go zone. But here's a simple trick to keep them at bay. WD-40. Spraying a bit of WD-40 around areas like your porch where wasps tend to build nests can really discourage them. Its slick texture makes it an uncomfortable place for wasps to settle. And as a bonus, it's also great for keeping spiders and other creepy crawlies out. A quick spray on windowsills and door frames can keep your home pest-free. Stainless steel's best friend. Love the sleek look of stainless steel but struggle to keep it spotless? Here's a quick fix. WD-40. Just a quick spray on a cloth and a gentle wipe down of your stainless steel surfaces can work wonders. Not only does it help in banishing stains and marks, but it also leaves behind a protective layer to fend off future blemishes. Hello, shiny kitchen. Smooth sailing for paint projects. Painting can be a rewarding yet frustrating process, especially when dealing with stuck lids or cleaning up spills. WD-40 to the rescue. A quick spray can loosen up those pesky paint can lids and help remove any accidental drips on the floor or your skin. Got a paintbrush that's seen better days? A little WD-40 can soften up those bristles, making it as good as new. And much easier to clean after your masterpiece is complete. Wax off candle holders. Candlelight adds such a warm, inviting glow to any room. But the wax residue left behind, not so much. If your candle holders are looking a bit waxy and worse for wear, WD-40 can clean up that crime scene in no time. Just spray, wait a few minutes, and wipe away the wax with a damp cloth. It's like giving your candle holders a new lease on life. Sparkling clean shower heads. Let's face it, cleaning shower heads can be a bit of a hassle, especially if it's been a while and they're looking pretty grim. But don't worry, I've got the perfect fix. A little spritz of WD-40 can work wonders on your shower head, tackling rust and grime to bring back that new shine. Simply spray, wait a few minutes, then give it a good scrub with a plastic bristle brush. Oh, and this trick works wonders for toilet bowls too. For those particularly stubborn rust stains, a second round might be necessary, but trust me, it's worth it. Free that stuck ring. Ever find yourself in a mini panic because a ring won't come off your finger? Before you start worrying, reach for some WD-40. A quick spray around the ring provides just enough lubrication to wriggle it free with ease. And here's a bonus tip. WD-40 can also untangle knotted jewelry. Just spray a bit on the knots, gently work it in, and those tangles will loosen up without any harm done. Lawnmower blades, grass-free and efficient. Frustrated with grass clippings sticking to your lawnmower blades? It's a common headache that can slow you down and dull your blades over time. Fortunately, WD-40 is here to help. A quick spray on the blades after each mowing session will make a world of difference. Grass will no longer stick, making your mower more efficient and easier to clean. It's a simple trick that can save you a lot of time and effort. Give your leather furniture a new lease on life. Leather furniture adds a touch of elegance to any home, but its beauty and durability heavily depend on how well you take care of it. Here's where WD-40 comes into play. A light spray followed by a good buff can work wonders for your leather pieces. Not only does it moisturize the leather, making it soft and supple again, but it also adds a protective layer to guard against cracking or fading. It's an easy step to ensure your leather stays in prime condition for years to come. Dust-free, shiny artificial plants. Love the look of greenie in your home, but not the hassle of real plants. Artificial plants are a neat freak's dream, except when they start gathering dust. Here's a quick fix to get them looking vibrant and shiny again. WD-40. A light spray followed by a gentle buff with a clean cloth will have your faux foliage looking as good as new. Splinter-Free wooden tool handles. There's something about wooden tool handles that just feels right. They're lightweight and durable, making your work a breeze. However, the threat of splinters can put a damper on things. Enter WD-40, your wooden handle's new best friend. A quick spray not only shields the wood from moisture, but also keeps those dreaded splinters at bay by preventing cracking and splintering. Just spray, buff with a clean cloth, and you're all set for a splinter-free experience. Garden decor, shiny and protected. Your garden gnomes, statues, and ornaments add so much character to your outdoor space, but the elements can take their toll. A fine mist of WD-40 is all it takes to shield your cherished decor from rust, corrosion, and the dust that outdoor life brings. This protective layer doesn't just prevent damage, it also adds a beautiful shine, ensuring your garden remains a vibrant and inviting space. And it's not just for your garden decor. This trick works wonders on any outdoor surfaces prone to rust or dust. The end of stuck zippers. Stuck zippers, whether on your favorite jacket, a well-loved backpack, or that trusty suitcase, can be a source of frustration. But fear not, for WD-40 is here to save the day. A small spray on the troublesome zipper followed by a gentle rub with your finger is all it takes to free it up. The lubricating properties of WD-40 work their magic, allowing the zipper to glide smoothly again. It's a simple solution to one of life's annoying little problems. Win the battle against snowy weather. If the thought of being snowed in fills you with dread, here's a handy tip to keep the snow at bay. Spraying WD-40 on the windows of your house can prevent snow buildup, keeping your view clear and your home looking neat. And don't forget about your snow removal tools. A coat of WD-40 on your shovels ensures that snow slides up effortlessly, making shoveling less of a chore. Embrace the winter season with a little help from WD-40. There you have it, folks. More genius ways WD-40 can assist with home maintenance. From revitalizing leather furniture and streamlining lawn care, to easing the hassles of snowy weather. We hope these tips inspire you to look at WD-40 in a whole new light and try out these life hacks for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching. Please be well, be wise, and take care.